Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. Today I'm going to talk about a Dewalt 18 volt battery. It's an older battery, it stopped holding the charge, and I was going to see if I can get replacement battery cells. So I took it apart. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. The screws that are in it are the Torx head screws, and it's a T10 Torx. It's a small little driver. But what's inside this thing is hold on a second. You take out the screws, and sometimes the base is either the bottom of the battery pack is either stuck or glued to the plastic base, so it takes a little bit to get out. What holds the top, there's a terminal strip in there. I don't know if you can see. See, we're probably down. There's a terminal strip in there holding the top, and some wires that go to these two terminals. But what I was hoping to find was part numbers on these batteries to replace them, thinking it would be a less expensive alternative. And you can see this battery, for example, right here, is starting to puff and swell and corrode, and all kinds of bad things are happening, which is why this battery isn't holding a charge. But what I did find in my research trying to find these replacement batteries is the model number on this pack is the DC9096. Well, I typed that in, and I found on the smart box, these are nickel cadmium batteries. I found lithium ion batteries, 2 of them for $60 on the smart box. So rather than trying to refurbish this one, I'm just going to go ahead and purchase 2 new ones, and I think that'll be the more practical solution. But anyway, if you ever wondered what was in the battery pack, there it is, and it's not terribly expensive to replace them these days. Thanks for watching.